We come to you from the Ariyalur district of Tamil Nadu, where there is a frenzy as hundreds of TVK members wait the arrival of TVK Chief Vijay, who has just launched a statewide tour in Trichy. It's going to be a 3-month-long campaign from Trichy. Vijay is going to do his campaign only on Saturdays. His team says the idea is to make sure ordinary people are not forced to forego their livelihood, so that Saturday being a weekend, there'll be no problem for others to to participate in the election campaign. Vijay's strength is that he has a huge cult following, largely young voters, first-time voters, women. Unlike other unsuccessful stars in the past, like Sivaji Ganesan, Vijaykanth, Sarath Kumar, and more recently Kamal Haasan, Vijay is making his political foray at the peak of his acting career, which his team believes will work in his favor. There are certain challenges as well. Hundreds of fans who gather for Vijay every time. Would they all turn into votes? Would they vote for him? That's the big question. But Vijay's team says they're quite confident that these fans would also vote for Vijay. They take time to come here only because they believe in Vijay's politics. Time and again, Vijay has also been emphasizing that Tamil Nadu would witness a repeat of the 1967 and 1977 watershed elections, which catapulted to power in 1967 Annadurai, replacing the Congress in Tamil Nadu, and 10 years later by AIADMK's MGR replacing the DMK. In fact, after stars turned chief ministers MGR and Jayalalitha, Tamil Nadu has not seen stars becoming chief ministers, but Vijay is supremely confident this time he'll be able to make a splash. The tagline of Vijay's statewide tour is, "I am your Vijay coming." And the tagline also says, in 2026, it will be a repeat of the 1967 and 1977 watershed elections. Vijay is taking up issues of corruption, family politics, women's safety, drugs and liquor abuse across Tamil Nadu, taking on the DMK. He has made it very clear that the ruling DMK will be his political enemy and the BJP at the center his ideological enemy. For quite some time, he had not criticized the AIADMK, triggering speculation that perhaps Vijay is leaving a door open for aligning with the AIADMK. But at his recent Madurai conference, Vijay had criticized the AIADMK, taking on the BJP, taking over control of the AIADMK, and that it's a huge fall for the Dravidian party. It's been quite difficult for Vijay to hold this kind of campaign rallies. The police had imposed 23 conditions, including a ban on roadshow. There can be no public grand reception, and there should not be any bursting of firecrackers on road. Vijay says the ruling DMK is targeting him because they are rattled about his popularity and possibility of him making a dent in their vote bank. But the ruling DMK has denied these allegations, saying that they have to ensure public safety to make sure the large crowds Vijay would draw would not lead to disruption in traffic and would not really lead to a situation like stampede. Now, all eyes will be on what Vijay would have to say about his political ideology and his stand on various political issues in Tamil Nadu. At Ariyalur, with camera person Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.